I take a little issue with somebody saying that that we're not supportive of law enforcement, because we are.
A family said just that, and the district attorney today responded after a 15-year plea deal was offered to a man yesterday accused in the murder of an SAISD detective. DA Joe Gonzales and the lead prosecutor on the case sat down with our Erica Hernandez as they explained why this case was so difficult to take to trial.
I typically do not grant live interviews before sentencing. We obviously don't want to affect the actual sentencing, but it was important to talk today because I heard some things on your report yesterday that were disturbing to me.
District Attorney Joe Gonzales and Prosecutor Jeff Moliner spoke about what happened in the case that resulted in the death of SAISD Detective Cliff Martinez outside a Southside IHOP in 2019. Gonzales says the defendant, Alfredo Martinez Contreras, should have never been indicted for capital murder in the first place, as there was no evidence showing Martinez Contreras in the vehicle that ran over Detective Martinez.
As a matter of fact, the evidence that we have is it was in dispute whether or not he was even at the scene. We believe that this defendant had already left the scene.
Gonzales and Moliner say that despite what Detective Martinez's family told us yesterday, they were in communication with the Martinez family as the case moved along. Moliner even saying that the remark from the victim's brother about a plea deal being the only option and not caring what the family wants was not correct.
I never said anything like that. I hope that he will pause and reflect and refresh his recollection that what they think always mattered a great deal.
Another thing Gonzales wanted to emphasize was his support for law enforcement after Detective Martinez's brother said he felt justice was not served.
Well, I take a little issue with somebody saying that that we're not supportive of law enforcement, because we are, and that's another point I wanted to make clear to the family and to the public.
Could you honestly say that justice was served for Cliff?
In my mind, no. I mean, I think that, is it the result that we wanted? No. We have to make decisions that we believe are in the best interest of the memory of a victim like Cliff and in the interest of justice, and that's what I believe we did in this case.
The Martinez family will be present on Monday for sentencing, where Gonzales says he will meet with the family again. Erica Hernandez, KSAT 12 News.